a beautiful morning here. I am currently at Old Joe's Kaya, which is the cutest little rustic lodge, and now I'm about to pack up and head off to the Kruger National Park. Yeah, so come along while I head off to the Kruger National Park on my first ever solo trip. I have 7 hours in the park today, so let's see what I can find.
One day I looked up and there you were, like a simple question, looking for an answer. Now I am a whale, listening to some inner call, swimming blindly to throw myself upon your shore. What if I don't find you when I have landed? Would you leave me here to die on your shore stranded? Think I know why the doubt howls at them.
That's an awesome way to, I think, probably end off my sightseeing for the day.
I say,
Good morning from Lower Sabie. It's a little bit cold, 10 degrees, so it's a little bit chilly, but I've got my hot coffee, I've got my camera set on night mode, and the gate should be opening in about 10 minutes. So we'll see what we can see. So I just popped into Skukuza camp to get myself a takeaway cappuccino, and now I am heading back to the car and we'll head back out to see what more we see. I have come across a herd of buffalo, and buffalo, whilst lovely to see in themselves, are also always a good indication of lions in the area. Big prides of lions tend to stay near big herds of buffalo, particularly here in Kruger. So, very excited to see the buffalo, but also hoping it means there's maybe some cats in the area.
Laughing gas, these hazmats, fast cats, lining them up like ass crack. Play these ponies at the track, it's my chocolate attack. Shit, I'm stepping in harder this year. Yeah, bear repping in harder this year. Watch me as I gravitate. Ha 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 ha. We gon' ghost town, this Motown with your sound. You in the blink, gon' bite the dust, can't fight with us. With your sound, you kill the ink. So don't stop, get it, until you chat ahead and watch the way I navigate.
Amazing. They must be really close by. So I decided to bring my breakfast and come enjoy it with these guys over here who were making so much noise. I have just arrived at the Mlondozi picnic site and view spot, and I have the place all to myself.
They say it's a matter of time, 1,000 days and the sun won't shine before I come back to you. And I'm happy, nothing's going to stop me. I'm making my way home, I'm making my way. For your love I will go far, I wanna be wherever you are. I know I'm coming back for you. Our love is a river long, the best ride in a million wrongs. I know I'm coming back to you. And I'm happy, nothing's going to stop me. I'm making my way home, I'm making my way. I go solo, oh I go solo.
These frozen cappuccinos from the Kruger Station Cafe here at Skukuza are honestly the best iced coffee I've ever had. The way to tell how old a baby elephant is if it can still fit underneath its mother, then it is under 1 year old. I have arrived at Chikwani picnic site, which is halfway between Skukuza and Satara, and there's a special ginger beer here that my parents say is amazing and my sister says it sucks. So I figure I'd better go buy one and taste it out. Okay, so I spilled half of it, but it's actually pretty good once you get past the whole explosion part. Good morning from Satara, and today's my last day in the park. I'm gonna go and have an awesome last day, and I'll see what I see.
I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, and I've been waiting for this moment for all my life. Oh Lord, can you feel it coming in the air tonight? Oh Lord, oh Lord.
Wow, I'm actually quite speechless. That was so beautiful. Such a magical moment. I mean, I spent